Welcome, children. Now we are going to have the second hour of language. And in this class, we are going to learn tricky words. Remember that they are named tricky words because they have the same pronunciation and different spelling. Let's practice. The first tricky word that we are going to learn is no. No. No, I don't want juice. I want water. I don't want juice. I want water. The next tricky word is so. So. They are so angry. They are so angry. This so is used to emphasize the feeling that we are talking about. They are so angry. And the last tricky word that we are going to learn for this spelling list is my. My. My car is red. My car is red. Now, let's continue with the words that correspond to the sound we are learning. Remember that this cycle we are learning ch sound. And which are the words that we are going to practice? Let's see. The first word that we are going to practice is chicken. Chicken. This is a yellow chicken. This is a yellow chicken. Look at the word here and look at the sound that we are learning. This is a yellow chicken. The next word is chop. He will chop the tree with an axe. He will chop. He will chop the tree with an axe. Now that you have learned new tricky words and vocabulary words, let's work with our worksheet. Here we have the spelling list number 8. The first 3 words correspond to the tricky words. Let's remind them. No, so, and my. Remember that the first part, you have to trace the word again here in this space. Join the dots. Then, covering this part, you are going to write the words in the blue space. After writing the word, you can practice the sentence. I said no. And you can also practice the way you write these sentences. So, you trace and join the dots, then you copy and write, and then you practice the sentence. My, exactly the same. You trace the word, joining the dots, then you write the word, and then you practice the sentence. Here we also have the 2 words that correspond to ch sound, chop and chicken. Join the dots and write the word. And here, practice the sentence. Chicken. Trace the letters. Here you copy and write the word. And the last part, you practice the letter. You can ask your parents to make a dictation using these words. Remember that you also have the alphabet letters that you can use for writing this new word and play with your parents. And remember that once you finish your job and your spelling list number 8, you upload your work in CISO and put it in the tutor folder. Okay? Put it in the tutor folder. Thank you for listening. Bye. Love you and kisses, people.